Son of a bitch. Fucking Val and his fucking clients. I hate it. Damn that asshole. I fucking hate having the nerve to bother me on a fucking weekend.
How's work going for you, baby?
Val wanted me to entertain this client, and 4 texts in, he's already asking for a pic, as if I'm easy. Show him a good time, baby. You better do your job, honey, 'cause all I want is your money, he says. This fucker ain't even starting with some damn foreplay. Fuck it. I'm gonna give them a piece of my mind.
Actually, I might just know the perfect response. May I?
How about I show you pics of my pussy instead? Send pics slut yes. Husky, you're ruthless.
And blocked. You're welcome, sweetheart. How about you allow me to show you what a good time feels like?
Are you proposing a second round, Husky?
Who says it's only a second round?
Well, I ain't exactly against that either.